Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into how you can use Notion to track your freelance payments, a must-have skill for the modern freelancer. To kick things off, start by creating a new Notion page. This page will serve as your financial dashboard, a centralized location to monitor all your income. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of your freelance income so you can manage your money more effectively. Next up, within your new page, create a table. This table will function as your payment tracker, listing all your clients, projects, payment dates, and amounts. Each time you get a new project, add it to this table. It's crucial to keep this updated because it helps you stay on top of your receivables, making sure you get paid for all your hard work. Now that we've done that, add in columns for project, client, due date, payment date, amount, and status. These columns break down your income sources and help you track the payment process from invoicing to payment received. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of your income stream, ensuring no payment slips through the cracks. Once you have your table set up, it's time to use Notion's reminder function. Set reminders for each payment's due date. This is key because it ensures you'll get notified when it's time to invoice a client or when a payment is overdue. This lets you take immediate action if a payment is late, which is vital for maintaining a healthy cash flow. Let me explain why this matters. As a freelancer, your income is your lifeline. By using Notion to track payments, you're not just organizing your finances. You're building a structure that supports your freelance business, ensuring you're paid on time and in full for your services. And that's it. In a few simple steps, you've just set up a comprehensive freelance payment tracker on Notion. It's a tool that will save you time, stress, and potentially lost income by keeping your freelance payments well organized and easily accessible. Remember, Notion is a dynamic platform, so feel free to tweak and adjust this process to suit your specific needs and work style. You're now well on your way to better financial management as a freelancer. Thanks for tuning in, and see you at the next one.